In this video, we're going to be looking at how to install FastAi. That's FastAi, SaaS AI content, voice, text, image, chat, and code generator scripts. After purchasing this script, next I go to my cPanel. Here's my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager to upload my scripts. File manager. For my file manager, I go to my subdomain because I'm using a subdomain for this testing purposes. But if I didn't mean I'm using a domain, I'll come here, public HTML. I'll click on this. Then I will upload it in my public HTML. But I'm using a subdomain, so I will come here, click on it. I click on my subdomain I'm using. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And use the engagement link to engage me to help you install the script or customize the script. And for your tech project, tech innovation, use the engagement link to engage me for your project from start to finish. Okay, I click on it. Okay. Let's say I click on it again. That's a network failure. So next, I click on it to extract. As you can see, I've already uploaded my script. So next, I click on extract files. Okay, everything is in order. So I click on close. Next, I'm going to change this .env to .env.example to .env. So I rename .env. I remove the .example. I remove it. So left with .env. Then I click on rename file. Okay. Now let me refresh this. I will refresh it. Okay. I go back to this place, to my subdomain. As you can see, this is my .env. Next, I go back to my cPanel, then to my database to create the database. My SQL databases. So now let me name my database as this. Then I click on create database. The database has been created successfully. I click on go back. After creating my database, I'm going to create the user for the database. So I'm creating the user. Let me name my user as this. Then I click on create user. Now I've successfully created my user. I have created the database and user. Next, I'm now going to add the user to the database. Here is it. It has already selected it for me. If not, I will just click on this, then select this, then click on the other one and select it as well. Then I click on add. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Then I click on all privileges. I scroll down to make changes. Now, I now go to my subdomain. I open a new tab, ABC, enter. Okay, everything is in order. I click on next step. Okay, FastAi DALL-E-2, everything is in order. I scroll down to click on next step again. Here, I'm now going to log in with my database credentials. So let me go back to my database. I copy this place. Yes, copy. I paste it here to my database name. Paste it here. Database username. I paste it here. But this is not my database name. This is my database name. Test connection. Then I click on next step. Okay. Is it? Admin name. Let me say admin. Admin email. Let me say admin@example.com. Then I insert this. Saving admin info. Now, I click on next step. Then I confirm. We are in the final step of installation process. So I confirm. Okay, let me refill it. Admin at example.com. Save admin info. Next step. So I click on confirm again. Okay. Your change environment variables are set in the .env file now. Click here to get back to your project. So I click on click here. Now I have successfully installed my script. From here I can go to anywhere and I can log in as well if I want to log in. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for the script installation, please use link in description to engage me to help me install the script or customize the script. And for your tech project, use the engage me link to engage me. If this video is helpful, use the buy me coffee link to buy me coffee. Thank you.